In the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, welcome back to the Dr. Najam lectures. In this video, we will talk about the determination of the date of birth and estimate the fetal weight. To estimate the expected date of delivery, we commonly use the Naegele Rule. And what is the Naegele Rule basically? First of all, we have to find out the first day of the last menstruation period of the mother, which is basically known as the LMP, and add 1 year to this, subtract 3 months, and add 7 days to this, and after that, we will get the expected date of the delivery. For example, we have one mother and her LMP, the last menstruation period, first day, it was the 10 July 2024. Then we have to add 1 year to this, it will be July 10, 2025. Then we have to subtract 3 months. It will be 10 April 2025. Then we have to add 7 days into this. It will be 17 April 2025. Then 17 April 2025. It will be considered to be the expected date of the delivery of this mother. Additionally, we can use the ultrasound technique and the crown rump length technique in order to find out the correct date of birth. Now, how to estimate the fetal weight? To estimate the fetal weight, we have the two important formulas. One is basically known as the Johnson's formula, and second one is basically known as the Dare's formula. Johnson's formula can be used after the 20 week of the gestation, and for the vertex presentation, it will be the fetal weight in grams is equal to the fundal height in centimeters minus n multiplied by 155, and n equal to the 13 if the head is not engaged, and n equal to the 12 if head is engaged. So, for example, we have fundal height 32. So, according to the Johnson's formula, how to find out the weight of the fetus and head is not engaged? Then 32 minus 13 multiplied by 155, it will be approximately equal to the 2945 grams. So this will be the weight of the baby according to the Johnson's formula. And second one, we have the Dare's formula. According to the Dare's formula, fetus weight in grams equal to the fundal height in centimeters multiplied by abdominal girth in centimeter. So for example, if we have the fundus height in centimeters 30 centimeter and the abdominal girth in 90 centimeter. So we have to multiply these both values. 30 multiplied by 90 equal to the 2700 grams. So 2700 grams is basically the weight of the fetus according to the Dare's formula. So this was all about the determination of the date of delivery and the estimated fetal weight. I hope that you like this video. Do subscribe to Dr. Najam Lectures.